I'm going to demonstrate how to install king-size soft-close undermounted concealed runners 1A68 and 1B68. Both of them share the same installation methods and features, so here we use the 1A68 for the demonstration. We can see from the side that the 1A68 slides are hidden underneath the drawer, which allows you to preserve the original elegant and clean look of your furniture. The slides offer an additional feel of luxury with a silent soft closing feature when closing your drawers. Our 1A series is applicable to drawer side thickness within 16mm, while the 1B series can be used on drawer side thickness of up to 19mm. Please make sure the drawer length is 10mm shorter than the slides. This is to allow some space for the rear hooks. If your drawer has a bottom recess, its height should not exceed 30mm, or else it may affect the operation of the mechanism. First, measure the cabinet's diagonal length and make sure they are the same or within 2mm tolerance of each other. The front, middle and rear width of the cabinet should be equal. Please perform the same dimension check for the drawer as well. Second, be sure that the width of the cabinet and the length of the slide are within the ratio of 2:1. For example, as we're using 400mm slides for the demonstration, our inner cabinet width should not exceed 800mm. Third, the measurement of the inner width of the cabinet take away the inner width of the drawer bottom should be between 41.5 and 43mm, and our suggested optimal side space is 42mm. As for our 1B series, the two measurements take away from each other should be between 48.5 and 50mm, and our suggested optimal side space is 49mm. As we're using an inset drawer here, we have to leave a space of the thickness of the front panel plus 4mm. Also, please make sure you leave a gap of at least 1 cm at the rear end of the drawer to allow the push-open function to operate smoothly. Align the slide with the line you drew and make marks on 3 holes, one at the front, middle and back respectively. To allow easy and more accurate mounting, please use a 2.5 to 3mm drill bit to pre-drill the marked holes. Mount the first front screw, then fix the back and middle screws respectively. There are 2 installation methods. If you have a 4-sided drawer, please use the first method to mount the locking device. Our drill template has a surface level difference here. Place this tightly against the bottom front and the side of the drawer. Use a 2.5 to 3mm drill bit to pre-drill 2 shallow holes on each side of the drawer. If you do not have a drill template, then please place the locking device in the same position. Make 2 marks and pre-drill the holes accordingly. Please make sure the rat handles are facing inward and simply mount the locking device in accordance with the pre-drilled holes. If you have a 3-sided drawer, please use the second method. Place the drill template tightly against the front panel and the side of the drawer. We can use locking device as our reference to the 75-degree angled holes on the side of the drill template. On the left-hand side, we will be using the 2nd and the 4th holes. And on the right-hand side, we will be using the 1st and the 3rd holes for the pre-drilling on the front panel. If you do not have a drill template, you can place the locking device against the front panel and the side of the drawer and simply fix the screws on. This is how it looks like after the locking device are mounted. Now, we want to drill a hole on each side of the back of the drawer. This is to allow the rear hooks to fix the drawer in place. So again, use the drill template and place it against the bottom of the drawer and use a 5-6mm drill bit to create a hole that is about 1 cm deep. If you do not have a drill template, then please measure and mark the drilling position manually. Please measure 7mm from the inside of the drawer side and 11mm from the bottom of the drawer. When you've found and marked the crossing point, simply use the same method to drill the holes. Now we can slide the drawer into the cabinet, but before you do so, please pull the cabinet runners out. Place your drawer flat onto the runners and simply push it in until you hear a click sound. To ensure your runners are working perfectly fine, try opening and closing it once. If your front panel is uneven, you can use our built-in adjustment mechanisms to adjust the position. I will remove the drawer for you to see the adjustment wheels more clearly. To remove the drawer, simply press both red handles together and pull the drawer out. For height adjustment, rotate the red wheel at the bottom front of the slides. This would allow 3.5mm upward adjustment. That's it for the installation of king-size soft-close undermounted concealed runners. If you like our video, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you!